I'll start this DIY with 2 reindeer ornaments that I purchased at Walmart. First, I removed the caps and the necks of 2 circle ornaments that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I used Gorilla Hot Glue to connect one of my ornaments on each side to each hip of my reindeer. I attached a second circle ornament to the top of my first circle ornament using Gorilla Hot Glue. Next, I attached a third ornament. However, you can see that for this ornament, I left the neck intact. For the next step, I used a square photo cube that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I used a permanent marker to mark the area where the top of my ornament will come through my photo cube. I used my soldering iron to make a hole through the bottom of my photo cube. Then I attached my photo cube to my ornaments, pressing the neck of my ornament through the hole that I had made in my photo cube. I used my soldering iron for this step because I wanted to melt the plastic from my photo cube to the plastic from my ornament, but you can also use an X-Acto knife for this step. I reinforced with Gorilla Hot Glue. I placed a battery-operated light that I purchased at Dollar Tree inside half of my photo cube, and I replaced the top. And here's my final product. You can always add 1 or 2 ornaments at the bottom if you're afraid that your ornaments won't hold in the position that I have mine. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.